New at 10 o'clock, a stinky, disgusting mess, leaving homeowners northwest of Houston frustrated and begging for answers.
Sewage flooded their pond, killing off the fish and leaving them looking for help. They called KHOU 11 News, and we sent our Maria Aguilera to look into what happened. Maria, this sounds like a real mess.
Mia, residents reached out to us tonight. They tell us they're not just worried about the smell coming from the pond, but also about the wildlife and people's health here in this neighborhood.
This time last week, this pond in the Durango Creek subdivision in Magnolia was filled with fish, turtles, and other wildlife. But by Friday, residents say it was all gone.
It's sewage and rotten fish.
Neighbors shared these videos of dead fish washed up and vultures circling the area.
Absolutely filled with fish carcasses.
What's left? Bones and a very unpleasant smell in the air.
Just utter smell of decay, and it's potent.
Evan Young says it's a popular spot that he and his neighbors are now avoiding.
It's a shame. I walk my dog around this pond, and the smell was unbearable the past few days, so I couldn't do that. And, you know, the kids come out here and fish.
Tonight, residents tell us they've reached out to their homeowners association, TCEQ, Parks and Wildlife, and other organizations about the issue.
Who's responsible? Someone needs to take accountability.
Robin Martin has made several calls, but wonders if someone will step up to answer what caused the spill.
Finding the right people that are going to come out and do something about it. It needs to be cleaned out and it needs to be restocked.
All this community wants is to enjoy their pond again.
It's not just a human community. We have an animal community, and we don't want to see all of that die off by drinking this water.
We're told state environmental officials came out to investigate, but tonight residents say they're not sure what's being done. And now we're reaching out to the different organizations to see what can be done to help out this community. In Magnolia, I'm Maria Aguilera. Back to you in Houston.
Hoping there's a solution soon. Maria, thank you.